Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome to another segment of Ask Tanya. I'm so glad you are here. Yes, we have a different background going on. I am seriously thinking about changing my film setup to my office, and like I have nothing on my wall right now. More to come. But in the meantime, I got my little pompous because yeah, it's just there. But anyway, yeah, more to come on that. But I wanted to do the Ask Tanya segment. I think we are on episode 8. I need to find out what the number is, but this is the segment where you can ask me questions and I will answer them from a cosmetic chemist perspective. If you would like to get your questions answered in the upcoming Ask Tanya segment, all you gotta do, okay, is go to the link below and I will have my website there where you can click Ask Tanya tab on the top of my website, submit your question, and once your question gets selected and answered for a video, I'm going to personally send you an email letting you know, hey girlfriend, the video with your question is up, go watch it, you know. But in the meantime, we have a few new questions right now. Let's get started. Okay. The first question is from Miss Tiffany. Tiffany says, thank you so much for the information and tips you provide regarding natural hair care. It has been so helpful. I'm on this journey of becoming more eco-friendly and sustainable, and I was wondering if you knew of any sustainable/eco-friendly products for natural hair that are chemical-free and safe for the environment. I look forward to hearing from you, and thanks so much for all you do. You are so welcome, Tiffany. So there's a few brands, but 2 come to my mind right now. If you're looking for eco-friendly natural products, I would say check out Lush for sure. And then there's another website called the earthlingco.com. Check them out. They have like plenty of like shampoo bars, conditioner bars, things of that nature. But I wanted to say really quick, you mentioned that you're looking for chemical-free products. There's no such thing as a chemical-free product because technically everything is a chemical. Your skin is a chemical, your saliva is a chemical, everything is a chemical, okay? For the most part, I would definitely check out Lush or the Earthling Co. Okay, the next question is from Miss Abisha, and Abisha says, I suffer from psoriasis and I've got a bald patch. How do I help my hair grow back, and how to treat your hair when you get a flare-up? So a lot of times when it comes to psoriasis and dermatitis, a lot of times, usually it's due to some type of inflammation within the body. Now, when it comes to this, a lot of times you can reverse this with your diet changing. Like, I don't know what your diet looks like, but juicing more, eating more fruits, veggies, nuts, healthy fat. I would also go to a trichologist or a dermatologist and have them take a look at your scalp just to see what is really going on. But if your scalp is flaring up, like I said, it could be inflammation. But I would also look at what have been some recent changes in your life. You know, are you stressed out currently? You know, what are you eating? Is there anything different that you're eating or consuming in your diet versus a month or 2 months ago? Just little things like that can be little indicators of what possibly could be going on. But the top 2 things I would say to do is definitely look at your diet, look at how you can change that. And then also, like I said, see a dermatologist or a trichologist just so they can get a closer look at what's going on. Okay, the next question is from Miss Grace. And Grace says, hi Tanya, I would like to know for thick, high porosity hair, do I need to seal the moisture in with castor oil and grease, or do I pick just one? Also, is a leave-in conditioner the same as a moisturizer, or a moisturizer something different than a leave-in conditioner? If so, when do you need to use what? And what is a good moisturizer for thick porosity hair? I just brought Kinky Curly Knot today, but that is a leave-in and I don't know if I need another moisturizer besides that. Thank you in advance for answering my question. I love that you teach us how to take care of our hair. I'm really thankful, and I'm going to try all these tips on my daughter's hair. I didn't know what to do anymore and what products to work. After binge watching your videos, I'm hopeful again that I can restore her thick, high porosity, super dry, frizzy hair. Yay, Grace! First of all, thank you for your support. So glad you are part of the Curly Chemistry community, and thank you, thank you, thank you. So to answer your first question, grease and castor oil or the other, honestly, just choose one. Choose one. To test this, I would do one side grease, one side castor oil when you are moisturizing and using those 2 as your sealant. And the next morning, when you unravel your twist, your hair, I would go with the one that feels the best. So if you notice that the castor oil side feels super amazing and shiny and soft, stick with that one. But if you notice that the grease side is better, then stick with that one. But you do not need both, just choose one. To answer your second question, really like hydrating leave-ins, hydrating moisturizers, technically they can be interchangeable. They are pretty much the same thing formula-wise. Now, as far as like when do you need to use what? Like I said, if you want to have 2 separate ones, you can use your leave-in after your wash day, and you can use your moisturizer when you're taking care of your hair throughout the week in between your wash days. If you have a leave-in conditioner that is absolutely amazing and it's moisturizing, that can be your dual product, your multifunctional product, where you're using that one product for your leave-in and your moisturizer. So long story short, I would say do what works best for your hair, but you can definitely use your leave-in as a moisturizer and vice versa. Lastly, in regards to like a really good moisturizer for high porosity thick hair, check out my Holy Grail video that I did a while ago on just different products that I recommend for high porosity hair. I will post that link below in the description box. Okay, the next question is from Ms. Janice, and Janice says, Tanya, correct me if I'm wrong, I've noticed a few hair serums are saying that they're beneficial for the scalp and hair, while some others only give directions for applying to the hair only. I don't want to cause any undue buildup on my scalp. Are most hair serums for the hair only? What ingredients would make a hair serum good for both scalp and the hair? This is a good question. So honestly, a lot of times it's just marketing. So you can have a formula that is for both hair and the scalp, and that same formula be marketed different where it's just for the hair. So it could be marketing. It could be where there are some extracts or peptides within that hair serum that are geared towards the scalp, you know? So it just depends on the formula itself and the marketing. I would stick with the directions because usually they are the experts when it comes to that formula since they developed that formula. But as far as like ingredients that would be both like good for the hair and the scalp, most carrier oils will be good for the hair and the scalp. Coconut oil, I'm kind of like on the fence about, but anything like almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba, olive, rapeseed, carrier oils like that are great for the hair and the scalp. So if you see that, you know, in a hair serum, that's completely fine. If it's a water-based serum, that should be fine as well for the hair, unless it specifically says scalp only. You know, if you find a hair serum that may have like silicones in it, like cyclopentasiloxane or dimethicone, that can be for the hair and the scalp as well. Okay, and our last question is from Miss Hannah, and Hannah says, hello, I have high porosity hair but also battle with a dry, flaky scalp. I discovered that fresh aloe vera gel helps with that, and I've been enjoying the results. However, after watching one of your videos, I learned that humectants such as aloe vera lift our cuticles, making our hair even more porous. I learned the hard way that this is in fact true. I want to stop using aloe vera, but I don't know what else I can use to help with itchy, dry, flaky scalp. Alternatives like tea tree oil have failed me before. I just want to ask, are there any other dry, itchy scalp remedies for women with high porosity hair? Yes, there is. So Hannah, when it comes to the aloe vera juice, you may not have to stop using it completely. I would say, or the gel, the aloe vera gel, you can take that gel and direct it only on your scalp. So for example, if I have a dry, itchy scalp, I may not put the aloe vera gel on the length of my hair, you know, especially if you've noticed before that it caused issues with your hair. I would just focus it more so on your scalp. Now, I don't know if you're using it and just washing it out or if you're leaving it in, but I would say, number one, try to direct it mainly on the scalp, massage it in, and then just try not to get it on the length of your hair. Try that, see if that worked. If that doesn't work, some other alternatives, believe it or not, is hair grease. Hair grease is known for being great for dry scalp, especially dry, itchy scalp. So what you can do is when you get out of the shower, especially on your wash day, when your scalp is the most moisturized, take a little bit of hair grease and kind of just squeeze your scalp and go about your day. That will help tremendously. Or you can use other oils like jojoba oil or olive oil or avocado oil as well. I always recommend this product, but the Powder Beauty Scalp Serum, that's really good too. Another good one too is the Pacifica Rosemary Scalp Serum. I'll post a picture up here, but that's another good one as well to check out for dry, itchy scalp. All right, guys, hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something new. Of course, if you like this video, please be sure to like this video. And if you are not subscribed to Curly Chemistry, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop for more Curly Chemistry content. And if you would like to book a one-on-one call with me where we can talk more about your hair and I can develop a customized regimen with product suggestions, definitely check out the link below in the description box for more information and for more Curly Chemistry content, especially when it comes to understanding your hair, products, ingredients. Check out these amazing online resources, ebooks that I created for you. My best advice are in these ebooks, and I'll also post a link for those as well below. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll talk to you guys soon.